On this episode of Piston Broke, we're going to be fixing up this Yamaha YZF 600R. We're getting it started and bringing it to the shop.
After we bring it to the shop, we'll be starting a new series of declappifying this bike. As you can see, it's very clapped out.
We got to get new plastic trim.
And we got to rewire the whole new taillight.
And then hopefully fix all that.
Get some new tires, because as you can see, these are very bald. Coming on to the rear. Holy cow.
You fit a straight edge on there.
The rear rotor is also warped. We need to get one of those.
Not the people recorded disabled. Maybe put it in.
Right.
Let's see this shit. Dude, it wants to so bad.
Spray the body though, if
I'll
you can.
try. No promises. I'll spray the body a little bit. Yo, I'm actually good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, dog. And now look at this. See this shit? Yeah, we're about to go ride in some ice with that shit. You know what I'm saying? And look, you see this one? Oh yeah, you see it? Oh, look at all that wiring. Oh yeah.
Oh, that,
You saw that, huh?
yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's go. I didn't say I rode this bike 15 minutes in 20-degree weather to get it to Nathan's shop. Anyways, here's when we're pulling it into the shop.
Oh yeah.
Listen to this puppy. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Just for the funniness, we're just going to straight pipe it to see how she sounds. In order to do that, we need to take off this 10 mil right here, slide this whole coupling off with the muffler.
Hey.
Hey, what? Oh, you got the tools?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. In order to get our exhaust bolt out, we need a standard 3/8 extender.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now this is proper technique. You need at least 6 inches if you're on the big side. Just like that. Take the little exhaust off. Now we're catless, resonatorless, and mufflerless. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get it started. Now that's a true fucking exhaust.
What?
Nathan,
What?
you wanna explain what this is over here?
What?
What is this?
This is my mom's Pontiac Trans Am Firebird WS6. As you can see, it hasn't moved. It's covered in dust and lots of bird shit, but it does run and drive. Why don't we do a little startup on her?
Oh my gosh!
So the battery might be dead, but that's a later project.
Fuck. Yeah, this is next episode, next series. You struggling, little buddy?
Fuck yeah, dude. get this bitch ass mower back here. Alright, let me grab the key for the Mercury, wherever the fuck that thing is on.
This Mercury is about to be the biggest piece of shit you'll ever see. Like, I kid you not. It's no brakes. What else is wrong?
So it doesn't have brake lines. It doesn't have a rear stabilizer bar. It needs new tires. Tires are flat as hell.
Yeah, this bitch needs new tires sooner than that one, though. Flat tires you can ride on. Bald tires, hell no. Here's the fucking race car. That's how you know it's a race car. Weight reduction on the hood.
Mercury.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Little
Dang.
air tank fix.
Oh yeah, you're fine. Just put a couple rocks in it.
Let's see if this bitch even powers up. Hopefully I got the right key. So it may or may not stop. Yo, why does it feel like it has a little bit of brake pressure? Maybe I gotta close the door first to start.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Yes, it started.
Oh yeah, this is called your turbo right here. That's a turbo. That's a turbo.
And here is your alternator housing.
Oh, that's alternator. And this is the pussy's mark. Oh
Yeah.
shit. Now we gotta go back to the actual project of the piece of shit R6. Isn't that right, Nathan? That might be why the tail light or license plate light doesn't work. Alright, as you can see here, we're gonna have to do a lot of work on this taillight wiring because especially when your license plate light is jumped off your taillight housing and you got exposed wires. That is not good.